Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. In this video I continue to build the Agora model Shelby GT500 Super Snake. I am on stage 50. Now in 50 we install the rear seat along with the seat belts. That's been a blast, and if you haven't done so already, head over to Agora Models and subscribe to this today. Let's get started.
The interesting thing about testing out high-performance automobiles is that you can only do it with top drivers who can take the cars right up to the maximum.
And here's the parts pack for stage 50. This time we received the rear seat and the seat belts for it. So let me take the parts out, we'll get a closer look. If you haven't done so already, head over to agoramodels.com and subscribe to this car today. It's fantastic. Let's get started. And here's a close-up of the parts we received with stage 50. And here's the rear seats made of plastic. It's already pre-assembled a little bit there. There's two pieces sandwiched together there. Looks very cool. And of course the seat belts for it. And very nice Cobra logo on these seatbelt buckles and MPO1 screws. Let's get started. And a pretty simple operation here is the big thing you want to make sure you do is when you install the seatbelt here with the buckle, make sure the buckle is facing up. So when you put it in, just kind of lay it in there like you see there. Put the buckle up. Now push it through with my tweezers, flip it over, and this should snap on the tab just like the other ones. And we can super glue that later just to make sure it won't come off. And that's how that seat belt looks there. Okay, and that's how that seat belt looks there. And how it's snapped in place there. Same thing here on the other side. Feed that through. Push it through. And snap that down also. Okay. The next ones, they simply snap in on the sides. So we want to make sure that our glued side is towards the bottom. Just simply going to snap that in there. Just like that, and do the other side. Make sure my glued side is towards the bottom. Oops. Yeah. Actually, the glued side is going to be towards the bottom of this because when it wraps around, then you don't see the glued side on the buckle on the other side. So, glued side would be down up against the seat here, just like that. And then when it wraps around, you don't see the glued side of the strap. And that's how that should look. I'll go ahead and glue those down. With my super glue that I like to use. And we'll just fasten that down. Also hit the strap a little bit to keep that locked in place. And the buckle on the plastic. And that should lock it in. Now we will install that into the interior. And okay, so we'll put this seat in just like that, making sure the seat belts are all exposed, and they are. And we'll be putting MPO1 screws on it. Flip this over. We put 4 MPO1 screws on. And they go in very easily. Locked in. And one more goes in. Perfect. Turn this over, and that's how that seat looks with your seat belts. Perfect, huh? And back to stage 47. We put this this hinged panel that we put in before. It's the back side, this is the seat side, and this is the velour platform side. And that can go in really at any time. It was kind of better to wait, not to have it in yet, because we were working on the seat belts in the rear seat. But we can fit that in no problem right now, and that fits in just like that. So I kind of waited with this, but I'm going to show this in stage 47. I'm actually doing this right now in stage 50. And I think that folds up like that and like that. That's super cool. Looks like that, and does that. Very cool. And that's all we do for stage 50. Having a blast putting in this interior, doing the last stages of the interior. It's great. I'm enjoying it a lot. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Head over to agoramodels.com and subscribe to this car today. It's fantastic. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.